Hi, thank you so much for joining us at Rallyhood. Today I'm going to be demonstrating the Files tab on our navigation bar inside of an individual rally. In Files, any member can easily access them, so you might use this section for a number of resources. For example, event handouts, flyers, marketing resources, forms, meeting notes, or documents. Any member of a rally has the ability to view, upload, and download files, as well as create folders and subfolders to help make it easy to find the right file when you need it. No more emailing the same form each time someone asks for it. Now you can direct them to the rally, and they can quickly find it in the shared space. Similar to Gallery, you can add a single file or click on the drop-down arrow to create a new folder. Give the folder a name and be sure to click Save. Now that we've uploaded our folder, let's locate it. Team meeting. And we click on the folder, we can now add our file. Choose your file, click open, and it will go into this folder. Rallyhood supports all file types and does not limit total file storage. However, for a single file, the file limit is 100 megabytes. You can add a file by clicking Add File and selecting from your computer, or you can click and drag a file into the folder. You can also create subfolders by clicking down on the arrow and creating a new folder. Add your title, meeting 1, save. Now you've created a subfolder. From the drop-down menu, you also have the option to search for folders. And if you scroll down, you can see the documents that have been uploaded. We can drag these into folders. Put that into our team meeting folder. Open it up. And here is our document that we just dragged into the folder. This way you have the option to drag and drop files that have already been uploaded into folders, or you can drag and drop folders into other folders. If you decide that you no longer want this document to be inside of this folder, you can take the document, drag it up to back to Files, go back to Files, scroll down, and now it's no longer inside of your folder. You also have the option to share documents. You can share this by individual rallies or multiples. Always be sure to click Share. Additionally, if you click on the 3 dots, you can download the file, you can edit the file's name, you can retitle it, you can delete the file, or you can save your changes. You can move the file into a folder from the scroll down menu here. Choose your folder and it will nest it into that folder. Make sure you save it. And you can also see the details of who created it, what time, what date, who has shared it, and how many people have shared it. From here, if you'd like to go back to your Rallyhood dashboard, you can click on the Rallyhood logo in the top left corner. We hope that you found this information to be super helpful in your experience here on Rallyhood. Thank you again for watching this Rallyhood tutorial video. If you have any tech troubleshooting questions about our Rallyhood desktop or mobile app experience, please feel free to reach out to us at support at rallyhood.com.